guys, today I will be showing you all a quesadilla. Quesadilla is a Mexican dish. It's a type of a taco which can be made with meat, cheese, lots of cheese and any vegetable of your choice, or either with the beans and vegetables along with the cheese. So let's make quesadilla today and let's see our ingredients. So here are the ingredients, guys. Here I am having 250 grams chicken cut into pieces, onion, grated cheese, jalapeno, tortilla rotis, butter, and this is a Mexican seasoning which I have shown in my premix series of Mexican. You can refer to my series, Mexican series, and make the same seasoning. So let's begin with our quesadilla. Adding 1 tablespoon of seasoning into the chicken, and we'll let this marinate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's caramelize our onion. So you will get to learn in this video how to caramelize onion. I am adding little salt and peppercorn powder. And we'll let this caramelize for 3 to 4 minutes until little golden brown. Our chicken is marinated, so let's saute our chicken. I am adding butter and oil in a pan. We let this melt and add chicken into the pan. Butter is melted, so I am adding chicken. And we'll let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. This seasoning, Mexican seasoning, so useful. Friends, I can't tell you, last night my daughters were hungry and they wanted to have stir fried chicken and vegetables. So I used this Mexican seasoning in the chicken, and I made broccoli, mushroom and chicken stir fry, and they were so happy to have it. I can't tell you, this seasoning is really very helpful. See how beautifully our onion has caramelized. So now we'll off the flame and let's look into our chicken. Very easy and simple to make with available ingredients at home. The seasoning which I have shown and shared in my premix series of Mexican seasoning I have used from my premix series. And so this tortilla rotis I have made at home. And if you do not know how to make tortilla roti, you can use a wheat chapatis. You can use wheat rotis instead of a tortilla, and even you can make the same quesadilla at home. And interesting thing about the Mexican seasoning, this seasoning you can use in many dishes, not only in Mexican dishes, but you can use this seasoning in stir fry. You can use in like any other salads and fajitas, quesadillas, etc. You can use in Mexican pizzas also. So not for the Mexican dishes, but apart from Mexican dishes, this seasoning can be used in other more dishes. The most important, the seasoning is homemade, so there is no preservatives, and homemade things are always healthy and good to have. Our chicken is almost cooked and ready to make the quesadilla. So our chicken and caramelized onions are ready. So let's make our quesadilla. So at the back side of the tortilla, I am spreading little oil at the back side of the quesadilla, and we'll brush this. And now this side we will cook our quesadilla, and this side we are going to fill cheese and chicken. Since it's a chicken quesadilla, so I am using chicken. So guys, you all can see how I am laying the cheese and making the quesadilla. These are yummy Mexican chicken cooked. Now adding little jalapeno and caramelized onion. So caramelized onions are my favorite and jalapenos are my daughter's favorite. So I am using both the ingredients into my quesadilla. You all can use according to your taste. Into this, I am laying cheese. One more layer of cheese. So you all have seen how I made the quesadilla, and this will plate into the grill pan, and we let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So same way, let's prepare all the quesadillas. Quesadilla is cooked at one side and let it flip at the other side. You all can see the beautiful grill marks on the quesadillas. They are looking so appetizing and I can't wait to taste it. The quesadilla is ready, and guys, it's smelling yum, and I'm going to enjoy my quesadilla. So guys, my quesadillas are ready. You all can see how beautiful and delicious they are looking. So let me dig into this. Here I have the accompaniment salsa and hot and sweet sauce. So salsa I have shown in my premix series. You all can refer to my premix series Mexican and learn the salsa. So let me put the salsa on the quesadilla and let me taste. Full of flavors, super yummy. So to enjoy my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.